And the plan that we have, the mission that we have in this country, is to make sure that girls learn, lead, decide, and thrive. And one of the ways of doing that is by making sure that children, especially girls, have access to, stay in, and complete basic and secondary school education, especially in safe and inclusive environment. Because this is our mission we have in this country, and therefore we work with partners like the Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education in achieving or in delivering the mission we have in this country.
We can't just feed every child from day one because the resources are not there. And one of the things we've done is to look at the indices and where there's hunger, where there's need, and really extreme poverty and lack of food, and started in those two films. And we use those data to inform where we feed the children. And we've expanded over the last couple of years, and we'll continue to expand as we get more resources across the country. We do this with many of our partners, Plan International, Caritas, WFP. It's important for us that our partners are aligned with the policies that we roll out because we want to focus on food self-sufficiency, high-quality nutrition, and learning for our children.
We believe that school feeding is a social net for children and also communities. And also we believe that school feeding will help children stay in school. It will increase the school enrollment and even access. And quite apart from that, we think that school feeding will promote gender parity and completion of school for girls.
We are moving into the homegrown school feeding program, which then means that we'll be feeding our kids on what we grow. We want to start eating what we grow because it's got multifaceted benefits. It's got benefits for agriculture, it's got educational benefits, it's got health benefits, it's got economic benefits. It also supports our local women into employment. So there are a lot of benefits. So that's what we are trying to have, and we are mapping towards that for September 2022. So Plan International was advised to start using locally grown and manufactured and sold gari predominantly. So at the moment, Plan introduced gari into the menu twice a week. It was initially 1 day a week, but then we stepped up to twice a week. One, we tested the acceptability, and then also the cost effectiveness and the nutritional value, obviously.
As you can see, this is one of the warehouses or the storage facilities. As the Plan International, we are in a partnership with the government of Sierra Leone to see that we are able to feed the children in some 7 districts. And as you can see, this is one of the warehouses, the storage facilities where we are receiving food. This is the storage facility in Bo, one of the districts where we are implementing together with the government of Sierra Leone. Basically, what we serve these children, we are serving them a ration of gari, we are having rice, we are having beans, we are also giving them some oil and as well as some rice.
Kokodo Sando Class 1 Tinyimia Porteon. At any time we want to come out for lunch, let the kids have their lunch. They sing that song to arouse their interest, that they become very happy. Now, as we are seeing, they have served the food from classes 1 to 4. Now it is classes 5 and 6. As you can see, they are serving them. I say a big thanks and bravo to the Plan International and the government of Sierra Leone, because this school feeding has created much impact on our children. As you are seeing, so even the little kids, they are now eager to come to school because of this food.
Our joy, our happiness, our pleasure is to see when these children are having a smile on their face as they enjoy the meal that is being served. And I'm very sure that the government gets very excited when they see the smile on these children's face. The food is a very important thing because it then helps these children to come back because they know that tomorrow they are not going to suffer when they are at these schools. And that's our joy, all of us together with the government. I tasted this food before even these kids, and that's more reason that I came even to this place. I wanted to see how does this food taste. But I want to confirm to everyone that this food is extremely tasty. These mothers have prepared it very well.
Me as a community leader, I'm glad for the supply where the first car now we own school community. So now I make a glad for can cook for the pikin there at the school. The pikin they happy because first some come back in there, you know, can get nothing like what they say lunch money for giving pikin for like can at school. But if that pikin they have for say now where they can at school, then they cook for there. The pikin they glad for can at school.
Children have the right to be happy. They have the right to education. So I am happy that the children are always happy, and it also helps us deliver on our ambition as an esteemed partner in Sierra Leone.
We consider ourselves as a critical partner as far as school feeding is concerned in Sierra Leone. And how many children are we targeting? Plan fees on a daily basis. 375,000 children. Therefore, it is critical for us to take this program seriously, and that's why we value the partnership with MBSSE, because we are reaching a large community as far as school children are concerned.